Okay, welcome everybody, and thank you Golshan for inviting me to your Skin and Smiles clinic again in Watford.
Thank you, Niall. What are we talking about today?
So today I want to talk about, you open the box, what do you get in your deal, how much does it cost, how much is it going to cost over 5 years, and all the sort of nitty gritty parts of it basically.
Let's get into it. So I remember when my box arrived, one big cardboard box, inside it 2 other boxes. One of them contains a scanner, the calibration tool, the power pack. The other one is all the little toys such as the way to connect it, the power cable, the USB cable, the actual scanner tips and so on. So when you get your initial scanner, you've got 4 scanner tips in there, they're all autoclavable. But apart from that, apart from the i500, you're also getting the delivery of a really high-end laptop and everything that's needed with it. To set it up as a user, you guys will come along from Bristol CAD CAM and set it up. If you were eager and you wanted to do it like yourself, like I did, then you go on Medit.com, set up an account with Medit's link, and once you've done that, the software will ask you to plug in the scanner and away you go. It literally is plug and play. It's easier to set up than one of these webcams. Now, beyond that, we've now created this deal for the month of June. There's only a few days left. There's a saving of £400 plus VAT. It means that currently you can get into the iScan, the Medit i500 scanner is available for less than £350 a month. That includes VAT. So loads of dentists hate to be quoted without VAT being included. So less than £350 a month, includes VAT, gets you a laptop, scanner, everything you need to get going straight away.
With no license fee?
No license fees, nothing to pay. However, you do have your support from you guys. You've got your installation there, you've got your training, everything that's required to get you going and get you adept at scanning.
So again, just going back to ongoing costs, so scanning tips, okay, so autoclavable, I guess?
They are indeed,
yes.
So you can autoclave them multiple times. There is a way to do it so that you protect the lens, but that will be taught. The body of the scanner, that can be wiped with an alcohol wipe.
Sure, so that's hardware, you've got the scanner and the laptop. The deal from us, so support and training. Obviously I deal with the training at the moment and support. How important is that? What monetary value does that have as such?
You can't give it a value now. I mean, the fact that you know that there's someone there to look after you, to handhold you. There's me here in the UK as a KOL, I'm using this hardware all day, every day. There's you guys there, there's the office staff, there's a whole bunch of support there. But on top of that, we have our forums, we have our groups online, so there's a family of people, the family is growing, and people can share their experiences and learn from each other.
Definitely. Obviously, we are the EMEA support centre for Medit as well, so we have a bit more access to sort of further education and things like that.
Absolutely, and there'll be more to come as the Medit i500 family grows in the UK. I'm sure more people will be sharing their experiences, and that will become more and more positive. But we do understand that if there's a problem, hey, we can talk about that as well, and let's learn together, let's overcome these and make digital scanning the norm in dentistry in the UK.
Thank you. So in terms of the support, so you get 1 year's included support with this deal. And what I try and say to my customers is, after a year, it's not as if we're going to leave you, we're still here, but what the idea is after a year, I've given you the tools to sort of find your own answers. So you get a software upgrade every 3 months. Okay, so this is, sometimes it's small, usually it's something quite large in terms of AI matching or face scanning, so they need training on those things. The idea is that after maybe four releases, I'll train them on each of them, they now have their own tools and their own resources to go and find and train themselves essentially after that.
Well, the good thing is that while we've all been shut down with the COVID situation, we've all kind of got used to watching things like this, videos, webinars, and a lot of that training that you'll talk about, I'm sure, can be delivered remotely.
Sure. Thank you very much, Golshan. We will speak soon in our next video.
Brilliant, thank you, Niall.